Daddy Pig and Mommy Pig are in Peppa and Josh is eating their food. They can wait to go in the garden to play. Mommy, please can we go out to play? Your three guys have breakfast and you go out to play. Josh, don't change your shoes too quickly. Now he has hiccups. Mommy, can we go out to play? Not let you have hiccups. Let your hiccups all go, Mommy. Have no Josh. Oh, all right, you can go out to play and look at to Josh. Peppa and Josh love playing in a garden. Josh, I'm gonna throw a ball for you and you need to catch it. Josh, please stop hiccuping. Josh, now you throw a ball to me and I have to cut it. Josh. Oh dear. Josh, hiccups are mauling again. Enough for hiccups. First, you need to wiggle your abs and rub your tummy. Good. Now hiccups are gone. Just still hiccup doesn't Peppa still hiccup doesn't work. Just you doing all wrong. I know. If your hiccups, you need first tap your hand and stand. Flap your hands and say. And now, close your eyes and turn your arm quickly 3 times. Oh dear, Peppa seems to work. Doesn't have to seem to work. And I know, sure hiccups, your picky was taking work. Remember, just stories taste scary. Remember, the stories taste scary. Peppa, you mustn't mix chocolate. It's too little. Sorry, Mommy. I just tried to stop your hiccups. Joy's hiccups are gone. Here comes Daddy. Make a juice. Josh, if you drink too quickly, you get hiccups again. I can drink juice faster, Josh. I can drink faster, yes I can.